I'm going to continue working on her dress today, and hopefully get it to a point where I can move on to something else. The type of dress has a rabbit fur or skin with the fur underneath it. Has a design on the dress that goes down like this, down the center of her sleeve instead of beads, and then the fur comes out from under the edge. And I've got to try to create that, and I'm going to work on her hair. Her face has a couple of nicks in it that I need to take care of. These silicone tools help a lot in doing that. Because they don't stick to the clay. I know it's hard to see what I'm doing. I'm doing an ear. Trying to indicate an ear. Do a round shell earring. I don't know. I don't know if that really compliments or not. Got to add texture to the dress. And the thing is, I got to keep the texture the same texture all the way on every part of the dress. It's been a busy day. I just had the therapist here putting me through some exercises, and gotten calls from the hospital. I had to change my appointment to Friday, which worked out well. And the key is things are being taken care of. I'm doing my exercise. I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do. It's hard to keep track. This month has seemed like a year. I mean, I can't imagine all the stuff I've gone through this month. hospital stay for several days. Almost being life flighted to the hospital in Bozeman, but because of the weather they had to drive me. Life flights are not cheap. So you young people, take care of yourselves today, because it's not easy when you get 79 like I am. It lets you know that you're not going to be around forever. And that realization is quite profound. Now, if you hear me breathing heavily, it's because I'm reaching so far, and it ain't easy on my shoulders. It's good cardio though, because it's moving my upper body. Okay, I got to fill in the area between the dress and the arm. Looking down from above, and I'm standing up working on this because I can't do it sitting down. This is her hair coming around behind here. I'm just blocking it in right now. Mind you, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do all this as I'm going along. So I'm just going to try to do the best I can. I'm going to have to quit in a little while because I got some insurance papers I've got to take care of. I'm going to have to do the rabbit skin before I continue on with the hair, because it's going to have an effect on the design of the dress. That's what this is the yoke of the area of the dress. It's the rabbit skin, and something I'm going to have to do is try to indicate fur on the edge, and I'll do it with this latex tool. Yeah, this works out good. Yeah. There's some more of that rabbit skin, and it's kind of like a design on the dress, and it comes down to there, curves back around, and by the way, this latex head broke, and I used some Gorilla Glue on it, and it works just fine, holds it together. Use a little stronger texture on the rabbit fur or rabbit skin, just so that it has a difference between the regular doe skin dress and the rabbit. Everyday clothing wasn't loaded down with beadwork or quill work. It was practical, and they didn't want to have something that weighed down their shoulders or the dress. They just wanted to have something functional and yet pleasing to the eye. All right, that's going to have to do it for today. I like the way it's turning out. I'm happy. It's going to be a good piece. All right, everybody, good night, and I'll see you next time, probably next week. Tomorrow we're going to Livingston to deliver the, or pick up a bronze, and we'll go from there. All right, good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.